This is Project Valhalla, an E.C.D signature Defender 110. Valhalla is painted in full gloss Aintree green with black accents all round. This 110 also features a Cairn front bumper with worn winch, six-point external roll cage, 4 LED spotlights on the front of the cage and 2 in the rear. Valhalla sits on 18-inch 1983 Cairn wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres and our E.C.D personalised orange Brembo brakes peeping out from behind. Inside, Valhalla features a Momo steering wheel wrapped in charcoal leather, 2 Recaro orthoped front seats in the front row and 2 in the mid row, with 4 inward facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is wrapped in double diamond Napa leather stitched together in tan. Valhalla also features an array of modern elements such as JL Audio sound system, wireless charging, rear AC, Bluetooth audio and access to USB ports throughout. This 110 is powered by our range-topping drivetrain, the 650 horsepower LT4 supercharged engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. The performance is incredible. The refinement with the 8-speed transmission is superb also.